Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to run mean change point test in EViews. A change point is a time at which the statistical properties of a sequence of observations change. In case of mean change point test, this specifically refers to a change in the mean of the data. You can see here from 1960 to 1980, the mean of this series is indicated by the blue line. After 1980, that is from 1980 to 2015, the blue line, that is a mean, has shifted. This shift in the mean can be because of the change in the government policies or change in the tax regime. So a mean change point test is a statistical method used to identify points in a time series or a sequence of observations where the mean of the data changes. These points, known as change points, can indicate structural shifts in the underlying process that generates the data. So the main objective of this test is to identify the point. So here the point is 1980. So we want to identify a point where the change has occurred. Now let's see how we can do this in EViews. So we are having a data of GDP. Double click on it. So this is the data. Now to run the mean change point test, we'll go in View, Time Series Diagnostics, Change Point Test, and click OK. So we got the answer. The null hypothesis is series does not contain a mean change point. Now I have copied this output on the slides. Let's do the interpretation. Null series does not have a mean change point. We start with the first test, Kant-Andrews maximum test. Here is it. So according to this test, the change location is 1965 Q4, and these are the probability values. So as a p-value is 0.00, which is less than 0.05, the null hypothesis that is the series does not contain a mean change point is rejected. This indicates a significant mean change point at the fourth quarter of 1965. So you can see here it has given us the change location. Next test is Kant-Andrews expected test. As a p-value is 0.00, which is less than 0.05, similar to the maximum test, this test further confirms that there is a significant mean change point at 1965 Q4. Next is Kant-Andrews average test. As the p-value is 0.00, which is less than 0.05, this test also indicates a significant mean change point at the same location. So here is it, reinforcing the findings from the previous test. Next is Bayesian range test. Here is it. Now according to this test, the change location is different. So as the p-value is 0.00, which is less than 0.05, this test indicates another significant change point at the third quarter of 1986. You can see here. This suggests that there are two change points detected in the series. Next is Petit ranks test. This is a non-parametric test. As a p-value is 0.00, which is less than 0.05 for this non-parametric test also finds a significant mean change point, this time at the second quarter of 1966, further supporting the presence of multiple change points. Now the interpretation should be written for these change points according to the supported literature which is available. So this was all about running the mean change point test in EViews. For more videos on econometric analysis using EViews, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded videos on data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.